I'm here to show you about the behavioral AI-driven approach for personalized promotions. I divided my presentation into 4 parts. So I wanted to show you what is behavioral AI, what is personalization and what are their benefits, how to create personalized experience, and I wanted also to show you some real-life use cases. So starting from the very beginning, what is behavioral AI? The goal of the behavioral AI is to predict and to respond to user behaviors. So to do this, we need to have a lot of input data. And input data will allow us to generate good predictions. We are collecting those data from all possible places where we have that we can arrange, from shopping paths, from clicks, from every entry, every interaction that our customers have with our store or with our organization. And how it works, the model is analyzing all those data and is preparing patterns to making more purchases or to making better communication with the customer. What is personalization? It starts from customer data platform, where we collect all the data, then we create a behavioral profile, and we can personalize delivery information for this customer. Our approach is to be a completely customer-centric. So we collect data from all possible sources, from websites, from offline information, like, for example, from post-transactions, from data storage that you already have about the customers, from third-party data, from mobile applications, from e-commerce, from Google Ads, or from landing pages. Everything, we are creating like 360-degree information about the customer. The benefits that comes from this is to create customer engagement, to have a better conversation and to upsell more products, to build loyalty and prevent churn, which is the most important part in e-commerce right now, and to increase the chance that the customer will buy again. The customers declare that 83% is interested in personal promotions. So we don't want to receive emails that are designed for everyone. We want to receive communication, not only emails, but other ways of communication that are suited for us. And 23% of in Europe, shoppers is declaring that they made a decision about the purchase even if they were not planning it. And our data proves it. About 30% customers is spending more, and 35% is declaring to have more frequent shopping. How we create personalized experience. So creating this personal profile, we take under consideration events, transactions, clients' data, and based on those information, we are preparing dedicated campaigns. Creating personalized experience starts with AI recommendations, AI search, and we can create dedicated landing pages. We can create dedicated messages with all possible channels. We try to engage customers with loyalty projects, and we also are retargeting them to our social media where they can learn more, or they can have information about our new products or new services. Where recommendations are most helpful, on the main page, on the product page, on the basket page when customer is leaving, or if there is something they could not find, so they get a 404 error on their website that something that they are looking for is not available anymore. AI search is very helpful here because it's very fast. It allows you to avoid common mistakes with spelling. It can use synonyms, and it can work with several languages all the time. Personal landing pages, this is something that is really working well, because in real time we can create a dedicated landing page to the customer based on his or her previous behavior. Personalized communication is a key here, because based on how our customers are interacting with us, we can interact in exactly the same channel to keep the communication fluent and clear. So just to make it sum this up, AI helps in a large scale, so it's not only one customer by one, but you can have a segment of hundreds or even thousands of customers where you can in a real time provide communication about your products. It creates a multi-channel experience, and you can use different tools and moments to fit the customer journey, which increase the possibility for them to buy. I wanted to briefly go through the real life use cases. So the personalized communication is available on every web. So we can use dynamic content, we can use web push, we can communicate over emails or mobile messages or WhatsApp or whatever channel customers, where the customer is. And we can do this in real time. So the basic one that we can show is like birthday promotion to push notifications. Usually we would have to have an information about the customer. He would have to give us information about his birthday. But if we are working with, for example, social media, and we gather data about this customer, we can send him a dedicated promotion on his birthday, so that he will get this early in the morning or early in the evening, whenever he's scrolling social media. We can also give information about the price drop. So if we knew that the customer was visiting our website and he was looking at some products and didn't make decision to buy it, if the price change in some dedicated period of time, we can come back to this customer and give and push him information that, sir or madam, you were viewing this product and now it's 50% cheaper, like this armchair presented here. We can also use trust-me survey links, because a lot of customers is viewing products based on recommendations from other customers. So we don't only encourage them to look at those surveys, but we also can gather data if they fill them in. And this gives us additional opportunity to track their behavior, and if they write information about products that we have, we can recommend them more clearly. Anniversary transactions. This is something that is also quite popular because when we see that customers are making purchases in some dedicated periods of time, we can bonus them additionally or give them additional promotion in the moment when they are ready to make additional purchases. Email with the last few products. This is something that works very strongly. So if our customers is looking at some products, we can remind them about them. We can give additional information about those products, or we can inform them that the price has changed, or give some, if we want to, sell more of specific type of the product, we can give additional promotion here. What is the most important fact with behavioral AI, that we can send those campaigns in best moment for our customers. So they are not spread at 10, at 12, at 3 p.m. We can send them exactly when we knew that the customer was making purchases in the past, or was scrolling our website or our e-commerce store, so he will get information about the promotion at the time that is best for him. So personalized offering, in average, they are shortening the path to conversion. They enhance the experience of our customers. They allow us to gather more and more information, and information is crucial in regards of providing some additional personalized offering. And they prevent churn, which, as I mentioned, at e-commerce is right now critical. I wanted to show you some product recommendation types. So we can recommend similar products. We can recommend products that are cross-sold. So if I'm buying, for example, running shoes, I will get information about socks or lenses or a cap, whatever is needed for running. The products that are visually similar, it often happens that one type of the product is not longer available, so we can recommend something that is similar, which has the same attributes or parameters. We can also compare those products, so the customer can choose the product that is most suitable for him, not only in regards of pricing, but in regards of attributes of the products. Let's go further. We don't always need to use AI for that. This is something that with marketing automation is not always needed. We can just push information about last seen products. We can give information about our top sales or the products that were viewed recently. Then we can just predefine a template with recommendation, and this template can be automatically generated and sent to the customer again in real time or in the time where he is ready to make the purchase. This is also recommendation compliant with Abuse Directive, where we can configure to generate personalized product suggestions, exactly with pricing, with attributes, with something that fits customers' requirements. And recommending complementary products to the products that customers recently bought. So again, we can push these messages, we can generate emails, and we can attract attention of our customers to the product that we want to recommend to him, but those products have probably been already seen by him, or he might need him in the short future. And last thing that we can do when we have long-lasting relationship with our customers, we can personalize promotions directly to this customer, and he will receive this promotion and no one else will be able to use it. So this is something that is 100% tailored for the dedicated customer in real time and in the moment where he's ready to make the purchase.